Hello, this is Billy 2.0 again. I'm really into these videos and hope you find them useful and a little fun. You don't need me or the real Billy to update you that marketing is tough. Selling to B2B buyers nowadays is brutal. The noise is relentless. Your budget's bleeding, your leads often look fine until you check the conversions, sales is still expecting SQLs on tap, and you're duct taping 5 tools together to do what HubSpot could have done alone. In short, it's one big headache. That's why Envy has restructured its go-to-market strategy to make it as straightforward as possible to set up and make the most out of your HubSpot. It's a full funnel execution system planned by experienced strategists, strengthened by AI, and run entirely on HubSpot. Let's break down the what and the how of enviable go-to-market strategy. Step 1, we review your core business processes. We look for gaps in your ICP definitions, segmentation, and lifecycle logic and get clear on your goals. Step 2, we set up HubSpot to run the GTM. This means it will score leads, listen for signals, enrich data, and kick off sales engagement automatically. We wire it for execution and reduce your MarTech clutter while we're at it. Step 3, we launch campaigns that actually convert. These are always multi-channel campaigns on LinkedIn, Google, Reddit, Meta, YouTube, and other channels. Everything's mapped to your ICP's behavior, budgeted, and tracked from day one. Step 4 is for AI and automations. We select, implement, and optimize the best AI agents for the job. So for example, if your ICP visits your website, HubSpot will recognize him or her and send signals to sales. It will also enrich company data and so much more. Oh, and last but not least, if you're fed up with your HubSpot and LinkedIn being out of sync and not talking to each other, Envy has built an agent specifically for that. Yep, everything that happens on LinkedIn will sync with HubSpot and vice versa. Think what that will do for your SDR outreach. Okay, I'm done. If you'd like to know more about building a GTM on HubSpot, book a call with the real Billy below.